Hello dear friends, this is Yusuf. Welcome again to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about Wyoming, and I'm mainly gonna concentrate on the two national parks that I did there. The first one being Yellowstone, and the second one is Grand Teton National Park. It's only a couple of kilometers away. And at the end of the video, I'm just gonna talk very quickly about Cheyenne, the capital of Wyoming. So enjoy the video and see you soon! Welcome to Yellowstone National Park. The park can be divided into 6 main areas, and some areas can be combined within the same day. The first area to visit is Mammoth Hot Springs. The water, coming from snow or rain, flows through the ground into volcanic chambers that are approximately 600,000 years old. The hot water flowing back to the surface with the combination of limestone creates those colorful terraces. It's also the area of the park where you can see a lot of elks. But if you want to see an abundance of animals, head to Lamar Valley, where there are plenty of bisons everywhere, like really everywhere. The third area of the park is Norris area, where there is Steamboat Geyser, the tallest active geyser in the world. Its eruption happens every month or so, and when it erupts, it lasts from 5 minutes to 2 hours, so we were extremely lucky to see it that day. You can also visit Canyon Village that day to see the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone and to see one of the most scenic views of the park. The fifth area of the park that needs an entire day visiting is the upper, lower and mid geyser basin. It has a couple of waterfalls, and it has the very famous Grand Prismatic Spring that is also called the Rainbow Spring, and those colors are coming from the different bacteria that live in different temperature levels across the water. This is of course also the area where you can see mud pots, so basically just the combination of hot water and mud, and the Old Faithful Geyser, where you are sure to see at least an eruption of a geyser in the park. In the morning of day 4 you can go to West Thumb Geyser. It's pretty different from the other parts of the park because you can see geysers just nearby a lake. In the afternoon of the same day you can head to Grand Teton National Park. It's relatively a short drive, and you can even do the scenic drive that day and stop in the different places to have an overlook over the park. If you have only one day in Grand Teton National Park, I would recommend doing Garnet Canyon Trail. It's a 9-mile trail with 2300 feet elevation gain, and you can try to spot some animals. Hello! Look! There is a moose! I went afterwards to Cheyenne, the capital of Wyoming. It's a cute place where you can see wood sculptures around the city. There is also a huge Wrangler shop, and the Capitol building is worth the visit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yellowstone was such an amazing experience. It was very different from whatever I did around the globe, so I was really happy to do it. I'm pretty sure you'll like it too. And I backcountry camped in there. So if you guys have or want information on backcountry camping in Yellowstone, don't hesitate to drop me a line. I'll be more than happy to help. And of course, see you in a couple of days for the next video. Bye bye!